In this recent interview, Elon Musk breaks the ice on Tesla's AI plans, where the company's headed and why investors are taking a chance on Tesla, and how they could now be millionaires and billionaires in the future.
Okay, let's talk about the competition here. You've shown concern about Google and Microsoft with OpenAI developing AGI. How can you help ensure with XAI and Tesla AI work that it doesn't become a competitive race to AGI, but instead is a collaborative development of safe AGI?
Well, I mean, I've been pushing for some kind of regulatory oversight for a long time. I've been somewhat of a Cassandra on the subject for over a decade. I think we want to be very careful in how we develop AI. It's a great power, and with great power comes great responsibility. I think it would be wise for us to have at least an objective third party who can be like a referee that can go in and understand what the various leading players are doing with AI. And even if there's no enforcement ability, they can at least voice concerns.
Tesla is the only company in the world with a fully AI-based driving solution that's in progress. The automaker's FSD software is gradually reaching its peak stage and is anticipated to be released in a few years, and Tesla cars will then be fully autonomous. Plans like this are what set Tesla apart from other EV players, and it won't be long before the automaker changes the game completely. Today we're going to explore Elon Musk's plans for Tesla, predictions from leading investment firms and analysts, and what the potential valuation for Tesla's AI projects are going to be, as well as its FSD and licensing for that software. So buckle up and get ready for this fascinating journey. You don't want to miss out on it.
Yeah, I mean, right now we're seeing the most flows actually in our 2x long Tesla, TSLT. We'll see whether that changes. Now we're going on at least the second day of red. Elon made some news of the kind that I'm sure he does not like to make. I'm seeing some stories about, Tesla getting rid of Elon. I mean, I guess if the Patriots can get rid of Belichick, then who knows? But, Elon is Tesla. So, sitting here with the only 2x long and the only 2x short, on Tesla, I've got my popcorn ready either way.
Tesla, pretty pricey. How do you trade this right now?
Well, they're always pricey just because it's a high-priced stock. It's got a high beta, moves around quite a bit. But there's ways that you can take advantage of this. And maybe you think the stock's going to go down, but maybe not break through that 200-day moving average, or maybe kind of consolidate there after the 86, 87% rally that we've seen so far this year.
Investors interested in Tesla's potential with its AI has actually surged recently, drawing increased attention. This outlook has been a central focus for the company over the past few years, with its AI days held in August 2021 and October 2022. These events aim to not only showcase AI advancements, but also bolster employee recruitment efforts. Tesla is also making some pretty commendable efforts with AI, and it won't be long before the true potential of the business hits the market. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Alongside comments from Elon Musk, several renowned analysts have also made several bullish predictions about Tesla's AI potential. For instance, Goldman Sachs predicts that if Tesla successfully seizes these AI opportunities, then its market potential could be substantial. The firm noted that it believes in an upside case where FSD could be $50 to $100 billion a year in terms of revenue from Tesla's fleet by 2030. Up from around $1 to $3 billion per year presently. But why has Goldman Sachs said this, and why does the future look like this for Tesla's AI? And what could it possibly look like too? Let's find out. But before we do, if you're liking this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Goldman Sachs recently reiterated a neutral rating on Tesla with a 12-month price target of $235 on its stock, as the automaker continues to develop its AI and FSD capabilities. Analysts at the investment firm maintain the belief that Tesla stands on a strong footing to emerge as a frontrunner in AI-related technologies. To shed light on this, Goldman Sachs analyst Mark Delaney asserts that Tesla is one of the few companies in the world capable of developing leading AI training technology. This confidence stems from the car company's extensive resources and exponential engineering talent across chip design, software, hardware, and data fields. Goldman Sachs believes that their current Tesla price target reflects the automaker's future potential for growth in terms of new, high-margin areas, and suggests that the company may gain more production traction in these areas before potentially ascending and ascribing additional FSD value when it comes to licensing and potentially providing Dojo as a service. Several analysts also expect Tesla's leadership in AI to help the automaker expand its FSD business, particularly for its fleet of AI vehicles, and this could significantly boost its demand for cars. The most recent trigger for the collapse in EV stocks is concerns over demand, and these concerns, especially amid the massive production capacity planned by legacy automakers, as well as pure-play EV names, have been around for quite a while now, with both Ford and GM having toned down their aggressive EV expansion plans, but FSD could potentially give Tesla an upper hand. Already, the price war, which was initiated by Tesla, is working to the detriment of other EV companies. For instance, automakers like Lucid, Neo, Ford, and Xpeng Motors are among the companies that have had to lower their price targets after Tesla slashed prices on its models. Meanwhile, Tesla has actually been pretty optimistic that it can survive even by selling cars at zero profit, and later make up the difference with FSD technologies. Elon Musk, along with other high-profile Tesla bulls, believes that autonomous driving accounts for the bulk of Tesla's valuation. In fact, Matt Delaney estimates that it could generate Tesla around $1 to $3 billion a year. According to him, this revenue is predominantly delivered from upfront licensing sales, currently priced at $12,000 in the US market, wherein the license is typically tied to the vehicle for its entire lifespan. Additionally, Tesla provides a subscription at $199 a month. Interestingly, this business could grow even bigger, and to emphasize the potential scale of a licensing business, Goldman Sachs estimates that Nvidia's data center segment is projected to exceed $50 billion in revenue by 2024, while AWS is looking at going past $100 billion. For Tesla's software-related revenue, though, by 2030, it could be tens of billions of dollars per year, and more if you add in the licensing fees for Dojo or selling FSD to other OEMs. Over the long term, Delaney thinks the total addressable market for the automotive software and services industry could surpass $1 trillion a year. That estimate takes into consideration the potential transformation of the global installed base of over 1 billion vehicles on the road, transitioning towards connectivity and software-defined capabilities over the next 10 to 20 years. It's worth noting that Tesla's got the luxury of carrying $26 billion in cash and cash equivalents on its balance sheet. And despite ongoing investments in expanding capacity, well, it still generates free cash flows of $2.3 billion in the first 9 months of 2023. On the other hand, things are looking bleak for many other EV companies. Funding's dried up for most of these names amid higher interest rates and rising tides when it comes to general pessimism towards the industry. Therefore, it seems pretty obvious that it will be difficult for any of those companies to catch up with Tesla. What do you think about FSD, and what's your valuation for this segment of the Tesla business? Let us know, and if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there!